to Article 38. Ms. Overdahl talking about fairs, bazaars, antique shows, suppers, and dances. Have some fun.
Am I clicking?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You're the clicker. Yep.
Okay. Can you hear me okay? I'll let everybody leave first. Nobody wants to stay for this? So this article is pretty straightforward. We are simply proposing to add philanthropic organizations to the list of parties that would fall under this. So current provision, section 545 requires, as it says, educational and religious organizations or private lodge and club to get a special permit for the following activities. And so this would enable, museums, libraries, anything that's categorized as philanthropic entity to qualify. That's, as everybody's probably aware, that's a growing sort of activity for those organizations. So they're currently unable to go through this process. So through the special permit process, this is what is already sort of required, and philanthropic organizations would be subject to this as well. Abutters would be notified. Items such as number of people, site logistics, and parking would be discussed, and then review and comment from the town department, so it's still required.
Any questions or comments? Yes.
Ed Tiedemann, 656 Barrett's Mill Road. I have a question. What's different from a philanthropic organization versus an educational organization in this situation?
That is a good
I
question.
mean, a philanthropic organization is a charity, right?
Okay, you're going to define a charity.
That they're a 5013C,
Yeah, but many educational organizations are 501c3 also. That's what I'm trying to understand.
Yeah. But I mean, I think educational organization is specifically a school, We have those in
because
town.
what I'm trying to get to is what now gets thrown under this and what are the implications. For example, there's a lot of events at the Concord Scout House that happen there regularly, then there's special ones. Do they end up having to go through an entire permit process for their normal, these types of events?
So this is actually allowing a new organization to offer such events. It's not putting new regulations on an organization to have such events.
Okay.
That's what it's doing. It's offering more options for different types of organizations to have these events. Yes.
Okay.
Otherwise,
therefore,
you cannot.
I guess all the events that have been previously scheduled are defined as educational.
Well, no, I think
That's what I'm trying to understand.
These are outdoor events.
Such events.
Fairs, bazaars.
No, such event shall take place entirely within a building. Is what it says, I think.
No, outside or last longer than 3 days.
Lasting longer than 3 days, yeah. I mean,
those are the two choices. So if you do something outside, or you're doing a big long confab, those are the things.
Okay, I'll talk later on this.
Okay, sure.
I read it differently, requiring that the other way, but okay.
Sure.